Nobody likes getting stomach, but let's be real, we have all been there. Maybe it was that greasy slice of pizza from the gas station or the leftover pasta you definitely should not have eaten at midnight. Whatever the case, stomach flu can hit anytime. But don't worry, today we are sharing some soothing foods that can help you bounce back fast. Should you consume ginger? What about eggs? We will be talking about all of this and more. Ginger to the rescue. Ginger is a common kitchen ingredient used to alleviate symptoms of stomach flu. With a long history of medicinal use, it can be found in serums, tinctures, and capsules. Ginger rhizomes are known for treating nausea, dizziness, and motion sickness. Boiling freshly grated ginger in soup or tea is a helpful home remedy. Plain potatoes does it all. Boiled potatoes are safe, soft, and easy to chew, making them an effective remedy for treating stomach. They are low in fat, starchy, and rich in potassium, which is essential during episodes of vomiting and diarrhea. A simple addition of salt can also help replenish sodium. Egg, the superfood. Eggs are a nutritious and delicious option for those with stomach flu. They are protein rich, provide vitamin B and selenium, essential for the immune system. Avoid frying eggs in fats like oil, butter, and prepare them with minimal fat, dairy, or spice. Fruits with lots of water. Stomach flu can lead to dehydration due to diarrhea. Fruits with high water content such as watermelon, strawberries, cantaloupe, and peaches are ideal for combating stomach issues. These fruits also contain vitamins and minerals like vitamin A, C, and potassium, providing essential nutrition during sickness. Banana are one of the best food to eat when you are dealing with diarrhea. They are rich in potassium, which help replenish the electrolytes your body lost through frequent bowel movement. They also contain pectin, a type of soluble fiber that help absorb excess fluid in the intestine, making your stool firmer. Plus, bananas are gentle on the stomach and easy to digest, which make them ideal during digestive distress. Tip to use: eat a ripe banana on its own or mash it and mix with a little plain yogurt if your stomach can tolerate it. For an extra soothing effect, stick to 1 to 2 bananas per day during a diarrhea episode for best result. Coconut water. Coconut water is a natural rehydration hero. When you are dealing with diarrhea, it's packed with essential electrolytes like potassium, sodium, and magnesium. Actually, what your body lost during frequent loose stools. These electrolytes help restore fluid balance, prevent dehydration, and support muscle and nerve function. Plus, coconut water is gentle on the stomach, easy to digest, and naturally soothing, making it a perfect drink when you are feeling weak and dehydrated. Tip to use it: sip on 1 cup of fresh coconut water every 2 to 3 hours during the day. Avoid adding sugar or mixing it with other drinks. Drink it chilled, not ice cold, for a refreshing and gut-friendly boost. Have you ever had the stomach flu? Did you know relief with any of the food items we mentioned? Let us know in the comments below. If you like this video, then hit that like button and subscribe.